Good morning, children. In last video of class 4 science, I have explained you chapter first food we eat, and I have given you the exercises also and question answers, and I believe that you have completed that in your fair copy. In this video, I will continue the next chapter, chapter 4 adaptation in animals. Chapter 4 Adaptation in Animals. You know, different kinds of animals are found in different places. Like some live in water, some live in cold polar regions, and some live in hot desert. And they all have different types of special features. And they live according to their surrounding. Those who adapt the surrounding situation, they live, and those who can't adapt the surrounding situation, they die. Habitat, the natural living place of an animal. The place where animal lives is called habitat. Adaptation, the special features or the changes that allow the living organisms to live and survive in a particular area is called adaptation. The special features or the changes that allow the living organisms to live and survive in a particular area is called adaptation. Adaptation in animals. Adaptation in animals are due to the environment, the food they eat, their body, the way of their movement, protection and reproduction. Adaptation for habitats. Animals are classified into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial on the basis of their habitats. They are divided into 5 categories: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. The first one is terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. There are 4 types. First one is wild animals. Their special features are they breathe with the help of their lungs. They have good sense of smell and hearing for hunting food and to protect themselves. For example, lions, tigers, giraffe, etc. Second is domestic land animals. Humans kept them for food or as pet. Example, cow, cat, dog, goat, etc. Third is desert animals. You know, they live in a desert, and desert is hot in daytime and cold in night time and very less rainfall. So they have a special features. They have thick skin and very less hair on the body. Example, horned lizard, desert toad and camel. Now we will learn the adaptation in camels, the special features of camel. First is it has thick skin and very little hair that protect it from heat in desert area. Second adaptation which camel have, it can live without water for many days. It's a special feature that it can live without water for many days. Third, it has broad and padded feet to walk on sand easily. Fourth, hump present on the body stores fat which is used up when food is not available. When food is not available, the camel take fat from this hump. It is on the top of the back. Animal in cold region. Polar region of the earth remain covered with snow all over the year. Arctic and Antarctica are the 2 poles of earth. In these 2 poles, there is snow every time. You can say that whole year there is snow in these 2 regions. Polar bear found in Arctic and penguins are found in Antarctic. Special features of penguins. They have a layer of fat under their skin and is called blubber. They have thick fur on their bodies to keep them warm. Now adaptation in polar bears. First, it has thick fur that protect it from extreme cold. It has thick layer of fat under the skin. Second adaptation of polar bear, the white color of body merged with white snow. Polar bear have white body color. So if he see the enemy, he hide himself in a snow that no one can recognize him. Their feet are wide and large to swim and walk on snow easily. Fourth, they have strong sense of smell to catch prey. So these are the 4 adaptations which polar bear have. That it has thick and fur that protect it from extreme cold, thick layer of fat under the skin, white color which merged with snow, feet are wide and large to swim and walk on snow. They have strong sense of smell to catch the prey. Second animal is aquatic animal. You know that animals that lives in water are called aquatic animals. They live in either in fresh water or sea water. They also have a special body features. They breathe and move in water. Fish, turtles, etc. live in fresh water. Dolphin, whales, shark, they live in sea water. Amphibians, the animals that live both on land also and in water also. They also having a special types of features because they live in land also and in water also. So they have different types of features. First, that they lay eggs in water. They breathe through lungs on land. And when they are inside the water, their skin absorbs oxygen from water. They have webbed feet that help them to swim. The fourth one is arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Those animals which mostly spend their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Like monkey. Special features, they have strong arms and legs to jump and climb. You have seen monkey? Yes or no? They jump from one tree to another tree. So they have a strong arms and legs. They use their long tail as another limb to jump, or you can say to hold the branch of the tree. Example, monkeys. Monkeys are arboreal animals. They live mostly on trees. Aerial animal. The last is aerial animal. Animals that fly are called aerial animals, like birds, insects, etc. They all fly, so they are called aerial animals. The special features of aerial animals are they have wings which help them to fly. Hollow bones make their body light, so they can easily fly. Feathers keep them warm. Tails helps to change the direction. So these are the features of adaptation of animals according to their habitats. So we have learned terrestrial, arboreal, aerial, aquatic, amphibians and their features. Now some homework. What is habitat? What is adaptation? What is amphibians? What is arboreal animal? Write 2 adaptation of aerial animals. So these are the 5 questions which you have to do in your fair copy.